Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make homemade twist fried donuts coated with sugar. The ingredients: all-purpose flour, milk, warm water, melt butter or margarine, egg, yeast, nutmeg, vanilla extract or vanilla essence, sugar, and salt. Please, let's start. This water, this milk, you add your milk, you add the yeast, and you mix it, you stir it. And you cover it for 5 minutes. Let it be rest for 5 minutes. So let's start the dry ingredient. This is the flour. You add the nutmeg, add the sugar, a pinch of salt, and you mix it. After 5 minutes, you can add the yeast liquid, the one you have mixed it, but don't pour all together. Add it to it, and you add your melt butter or margarine. You add your vanilla extract. You add your egg. You break your egg and you add it to it. You mix it nicely like this. I'm thanking my old subscribers and my old followers. Please, God bless you. And if you are new here after watching it, don't forget to like, follow and share my Facebook page. Now you can use your hand because we are going to knead it. So you use your hand to mix it in your bowl like this, nicely. After mixing the bowl nicely, sprinkle small flour on the surface and you transfer to the surface. You knead it for 10 minutes or until you see the dough is not in your hand. That means the dough is already knead nice. Yeah, so you make it like this. You need it. You need, if you have manpower, but if you have standard mixer, you can use that one. You see, it's not on my hand. Yeah, that's supposed to look. You need it like this. And you see how smooth it look. Yeah, and you put some small oil in the bowl, or you can put it on different bowl, and you put the dough inside, cover it, let it be rest for 40 to 60 minutes or until double size. You see, after 40 minutes it's already double size, so you press it down and the air should come down. Yeah, that's why I'm pressing it. You sprinkle small flour on the surface again and you knead it small. Yeah, like this. You mold it gentle like the way you are making Ghana bread. Yeah, you make it long like this. and you cut it 15 or 16 pieces. Yeah, it depends how you want. You cut it like this, but I don't want it big, so I want it small. That's why I'm making it. You put small flour on the surface and you mold it like what I'm making it. You do the same and you roll it long because you are going to twist, so you need long. Yeah. I finished roll it, so I'm going to twist. You see how I'm making it? Yeah, this one, if you know how to make hair, yeah, you can make it. Yeah, that's supposed to look. And you put it aside. You continue the same process until all finished. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms: Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Mayu Catering Services is there. Thank you. Yeah. So this one, go to hairdressing. If you know how to make twist, yeah, this one is very easy for you to make it. But it's very easy. It's not difficult to make it. Mayu Catering Services is here to help some people who don't have any job, anything to do. So my channel or my Facebook page and Instagram, I'm there to help you to get something to do, to get some money, to take care of your family. So don't forget to try my recipe. It's very nice for business. And you see, I have finished, so I put small flour on the baking tray or baking sheet and I arrange it because I need to arrange it in the baking tray or baking sheet. Yeah, you arrange it like this nicely. Please don't forget to like, follow, and share my Facebook page. And this recipe, children like it. Yeah, it's very snack. It's good for snack, so you can make it for your children. Cover it for 30 minutes. Let it be rest until double size or double rising. Heat your oil, but set the oil to medium high temperature and you start frying it until golden brown. Please don't let the first shoot too high, otherwise it will not cooked. It's ready, so I remove it and you continue frying it until all finished. So the first one, I've already fried it and I'm coating with the sugar. The first one I did it, so yeah, and you arrange it with anything you want to use to serve it. Enjoy. I hope you try my recipe. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there. Like it, comment, and share it. Thanks for watching Mayu Catering Services. See you on my next video. Bye bye.